Hello students, today you're going to actually use Google Drive. You're going to take the PowerPoint you made and you're going to upload it to Google Drive and then share it. Now what does that mean for you? If you don't have a working Gmail, you don't have Drive. So if you don't have Gmail, stop this video, look at what the blog says. It says to raise your hand and then ask for an STL. STLs might be busy, so you might have to wait a little while, but as soon as they can, they'll come up to you and then they'll put your presentation on a flashcard so it can get graded just like everybody else's. But the majority of you do have Google Drive. So what do? First, you log on to your Gmail. This is how you do it. You can click on the new tab button. Do it here, like this. And then you'll have these options pop up. Or you can type in gmail.com up here. Gmail. Now you sign in with your username. This should be your first initial, last name at blastdelay.org. If it's not that, maybe you have a 1 or a number attached, go ahead and write that. All of you should have that little half sheet of paper with your Gmail and your passwords at the end of your science notebook. And remember, if this video is going too fast for you, pause it and rewind it, or you can always open a new window and do what I'm doing side by side so you don't get lost. It's up to you. Now put in your password, obviously. And once you click on sign in, then you'll be signed in to this page. Here, there's a black bar with different menu options. You want to click on the Drive button here. Remember, you can always pause this video and then try it, and then come back to it. Or you can also just do a window side by side, opening a new tab, and then or opening a new window. Once you're here, this is the button you need. This create button you can make stuff. Google document is like Word. Presentations like PowerPoint. And this is like an Excel sheet for numbers and things. We'll explore these two another time. Today I just want you to know they're there because we will use most of them throughout the year. The button that you're interested in is the one next to it. This one, the upload button. You click on Files. Then when you click on Desktop, you should see your PowerPoint on the desktop. If you don't see it on the desktop, remember you have one more option, the search bar here. It should be your first name, last name, or layers PowerPoint. If you can't find it, try different variation, maybe just your first name and see what comes out. But if you don't see it in the desktop, you don't see it here, the last option you can try is here on Documents. That's where I usually save things. I told you to save it on desktop, but some of you probably saved it here in Documents. So you can click on that one, and then you can see if you find it. If none of those work, it's not in desktop, it's not there, then you're gonna have to just skip this step and you just have a 0 for now. And I'll tell you when you can make up this assignment. But if you do find it, so imagine that this is my PowerPoint here. It's one of my many PowerPoints. You just click on the blue open button. Let me see so you can see it there. Click there. And it's gonna do this. It's gonna put it up into your drive. So now it's like saved on a USB key, but a USB key in Google. Once you've done that, close it. You're gonna do it twice today. The reason for that is it's gonna give you a different option. Once you downloaded your first document, click on the little gear here and go to Upload Settings. This time, click on Confirm Settings before each upload. And then you do the little upload button again, Files, and then the same one again. There it is. Open. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to turn it into a Google Doc? The answer to that is yes. Leave this box clicked here, but click on this here, and then start upload. What's happening is, you just created a Google presentation, which is a lot easier to work with than PowerPoint because you can continue working on it anywhere. You don't have to have the program PowerPoint. So you see it's the same thing except it has this one. Now you can delete the original. You just click on it and then throw it in the trash can, remove. Go ahead and do that for the original one, not for the new PowerPoint, the Google presentation. You're only going to have to do this first time. If you click on it, it's your same PowerPoint, and now it's in Google, and you can work on it here, let's say at home. You can add things, and whenever you add something, it adds it to the one I see too. So when you add, change, delete, I will say the same thing as well. Some of the words might have been moved around a little bit, and a lot of the similar format. You can click on words here, you can put pictures here. I'll give you more details on how to use this next time, but for now, all you got to do is click on the blue share button. Then you're going to send it to me so that I can see it. Where it says invite people here, make sure it says on can edit. Write in Mr. Luna science at gmail.com. Please make sure you spell everything right or I will not get it. And then share and save. And then you click yes. And you're done. Then you can just close it, log off your Gmail here. It's very important that you log off because if not, people can see your different work and people can use your Gmail without your permission. That is the end of this video. Move on to the next step when you're done and you've shared. Remember, rewind if it was too fast or do it side by side. Have a good day.